I welcome you all for today's video lecture class. Today's topic is Java features. So before moving on to the Java features, let us discuss a common thing that is who invented Java and what are the versions we have, etc. So initially it was initiated by James Gosling, Patrick Norton, and Mike Sheridan at Sun Microsystems in 1991. James Gosling did primary contribution, so he called as father of Java language. This language was initially called Oak but was renamed Java in 1995. First beta version released in 1995, fully functional public implementation of Java version 1.0 released on 1996. Oracle acquired Sun Microsystems in 2009 and the current version is Java 16. Java is a high level object oriented, class based, platform independent, concurrent, secured, and general purpose computer programming language. Java runs on a variety of platforms such as Windows, Mac OS, and various versions of Unix and Linux. It promised write once, run anywhere, providing no cost runtimes on popular platforms. One of the world's most popular and widely used programming language is Java, and it is used in internet programming, mobile devices, games, e-business solutions. These are all the features of Java. Let us discuss one by one. Java is an object oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object. Java is designed to be easy to learn. If you understand the basic concept of Java, it would be easy to master. Java provides security through Java Virtual Machine, bytecode error detection in compiler, private keywords, no explicit pointers. It is platform independent, unlike many other programming languages, including C and C++. When Java is compiled, it is not compiled in platform specific machine, rather into platform independent bytecode. This bytecode is distributed over the web and interpreted by the virtual machine on whichever platform it is being run on. It is architecture neutral. The Java compiler generates an architecture neutral object file format, which makes the compiled code executable on many processors with the presence of Java runtime system. Being architecture neutral and having no implementation dependent aspects of the specification makes Java portable. Java makes an effort to eliminate error prone situations by emphasizing mainly on compile time error checking and runtime checking. Memory management and deallocation of memory is easy. Java is multi-threaded. It is possible to write programs that can perform many tasks simultaneously. So this design feature allows the developers to construct interactive applications that can run smoothly. Java bytecode is translated on the fly to native machine instructions and is not stored anyway. The development process is more rapid and Analytical, since the linking is an incremental and lightweight process. It is high performance with the use of just in time compilers. Java enables high performance. Java is designed for the distributed environment of the internet, RMI. Java is considered to be more dynamic than C and C++ since it is designed to adapt to an evolving environment. Java programs can carry extensive amount of runtime information that can be used to verify and resolve accesses to objects on runtime. On demand loading of classes. So, let us discuss the four types of applications that can be created using Java programming. Standalone application are also known as desktop applications or window-based applications. These are traditional software that we need to install on every machine. AWT and Swing are used in Java for creating standalone applications. Example, Java SE 16. Web application is another application of Java programming, an application that runs on server side and creates dynamic pages called web application. Currently, Servlet JSP struts, Spring Hibernate SJSF, etc. technologies are used for creating web applications in Java. An application that is distributed in nature, such as banking applications, etc., is called enterprise application. It has advantages of the high level security, load balancing, and clustering. In Java, EJP is used for creating enterprise applications. Java EE is what to be used for the enterprise application. And an application which is created for mobile devices, it is called mobile application. Currently, Android and Java ME are used for creating mobile applications. Thank you for attending my video lecture, and that we come to the end of the today's session. And I wish to join in the next video lecture. Thank you.